In this video, we are going to talk about the advantages of having a sound organization. So, the question that we discussed in class was, why is it important to have a sound organization? And to that, the first part of the answer that you would mention in your exam is organization helps administration. Now, administration is about the different hierarchical levels in an organization, the top, middle, and the lower level administration, the managers, which look after into various aspects. We also think of in an organization, there are different departments, specialized departments which look into areas such as finance, marketing, productions, and operations, and human resource, etc. So once we have an organization set up, it helps in the administration of the business or the organization or the institution. It's because the top management can now devote a sufficient time and energy to more important managerial functions. That is to make strategies, to make plans, and to delegate work. And what we notice here then is that because of a good organization structure, the middle level workers or managers are able to supervise the functional area in their department. If it is related to finance, the finance manager can look into what needs to be done in that department. So overall, the administration of an organization or an institution helps because of a structure in place. The second point there is uh, organization helps expansion and changes or even modifications. We know that businesses are not static and most businesses grow. It could start from a single person, a sole proprietor, or a partnership firm, and then the business grows. As it grows, the scale of its operation grows, the amount of goods and services produced and sold also increases, and we see that maybe the geographical area also expands. Now the business was situated only in a particular local place. It has moved on to the state, to the country, and maybe even international. So having an organization structure helps in this expansion process where now uh, we are able to see that different work can be headed by different individuals at different places. If you were a sole trader, most likely the sole trader will do all the work. But as the business grows, it becomes important for a formal organization structure so that all the work can be done without any issues. The next point is organization helps or enables maximum utilization of advanced technology. Now, when we talk about technology, we are talking about methods or the way to do a certain thing. And we use certain instruments, certain machines, certain know hows in order to get the work done better. Now, when there is a organization and the structures of an organization put in place, it helps or the technology could be used more effectively. For example, if the organization is a large one where it is spread across a different geographical area, IT communications can help in the coordination of various activities. It will be very easy for people to maybe make conference calls, talk over the telephone, the IT solutions where the company is connected via a common software. All of those things are possible. The use of advanced technology because there is an organization structure in place. The next part is that organizations enable utilization of manpower on the basis of humanitarian approach. When we think about an organization where there are different structures, there are different people working in different departments with specialized jobs, we are looking at an organization where we need people. Gone are those days where the idea was machines are more important than people. Now the focus is coming back to people where the human effort is appreciated, human effort is nourished, is cultured, so that we look into an organization as an organic being where people grow, flourish, and that in turn helps the organization to grow. on the last part, that organization motivates people to increase productivity and efficiency. We realize that when people work in an organized structure, people have been assigned their work, they have been allocated their resources, they know what they have to do, they specialize in their particular work, and so that's why we see that people are interested in developing their skills, getting to do their jobs better, and thereby having a good morale, thereby increasing productivity and efficiency. So we notice that these things are possible because there is an organization structure put in place that enables all of these things to happen.